What's up, guys? I'm just driving, chilling, driving. So, this is my car. And the window's right here that you see. So, the window. So, yeah. We are going to do it. Let's go and try it. Start button. This one's a Lamborghini. Nothing in here. So guys, bye.